Hey YouTubers, today I'm gonna try these new Firework Oreos. I guess there's something with the popping candies in them. And along with that, I heard some reviews on this about this Pepsi Fire. I don't know. I've heard some say it was good. Some say it wasn't. Well, I'm gonna try it, see what I think of it. Comment down below if you tried it and then what you think of it. We'll see. We'll see if we agree with each other. In fact, I'm gonna try to see what it tastes like. As I can get it open here. I guess it says it's like it's like a cinnamon flavored cola. I don't know. Let's give this a shot. Yeah. It's not the best. It's okay. To me, anyway. It tastes like. Remember those cinnamon candies? That's what it kind of tastes like. I can't think of the name of them. But anyways, yeah, it tastes like those cinnamon candies that they made. I can't think of the name of them off the bat though. Anyways, let's try these Fireworks Oreos. As soon as I can, yeah, here. When I get the package open here, it's being a little stubborn. All right, there we go. All right, I got one here. Let's give it a shot here. Alright. Not what I really expected. I thought, the candy inside would pop in my... Oh, wait. I take that back. It's popping. I take that back. It's actually doing it now in my mouth. The candy is popping. It just delays for a little bit. So these are pretty good. Don't after this video, don't forget to check the other video I did, the lava challenge at Shopko. I'll put the description in I'll put the link in the description, so make sure you check that out. Walking around Shopko doing the lava challenge, so don't forget to check that out. And then like, subscribe, and comment on the next video you want me to do. Comment if you want me to try different things, either at restaurants or something. It's got to be a restaurant area around somewhere in Wisconsin, because that's where I'm from. I'm in Wisconsin, so it's gotta be somewhere in the Wisconsin area. And I'll see what I can do. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And I think I'm gonna end it here. See ya.